Hello, Emma from Kids Craft Room here, and today we are sharing an oh so cute little baby hedgehog. You can move his head from side to side and wiggle his little paws. We think he's absolutely adorable and hope you do too. It's easy to make with a printable template, which comes in black and white so children can colour it in themselves, and there's also a full ready coloured version, which is the one that you can actually see that we've made here. So to get started, just cut out your pieces. There aren't too many of them, so it won't take you very long. And then you're going to take your little baby hedgehog's tummy and make a hole in it with a hole puncher. And then do the same with the face. So we want to sort of line up in the middle of the face down from the chin and just pop a little hole in there. And that's where your nose is actually going to go. There we go, so you can see the two holes. And then you want to take a split pin or paper fastener and pop the face on top of the tummy and just pop your paper fastener through and open it up on the back to secure the head. It doesn't really matter what size paper fastener you use. I just chose one randomly from our box of assorted sizes. And then just make sure it's not too tight and that your head moves. Now the template comes with little blue paper eyes, which you can see there, but if you prefer, you could always draw your eyes on, or you could use buttons or googly eyes instead. And the template also comes with a little black paper nose, but we've chosen to use little black soft pom-poms instead. So you're going to glue your nose right onto the top of the paper fastener, and it hides the paper fastener underneath. Then we're going to take the spines or the quills and attach the front of the hedgehog onto those. So glue onto the back of the tummy, but make sure that you don't actually glue the head because we want that to be able to move from side to side. And then turn it over, stick it onto the quills, and just give the head a little wiggle and make sure that that paper fastener is free moving at the back and that you haven't sort of glued it too tightly. Then we're going to add our front paws. You can glue the whole of the paw and the arm down if you want to, but we just put some glue onto the ends so that when they're stuck onto the tummy, we can pop our hands behind them and actually make the little hands move, which is quite cute. And then there's the back paws as well. We chose to glue those completely down towards the bottom. So he's already looking very, very sweet, but you're going to bring him to life by drawing on a little smile. Oh, he's so adorable. And now obviously you can move his head from side to side, wiggle his arms, tickle his tummy. We hope you love him as much as we do. Visit kidscraftroom.com to get your template and have lots of fun with this little hedgehog craft this autumn. Thanks for watching. Bye.